Hi guys, welcome back to Karmakar's Kitchen. So today's recipe is Dimer Devil. Dimer Devil or the devilish eggs are very common in Bengali homes, but today I'm going to show you my way of making Dimer Devil with minced chicken. So without any further ado, let's get started. To make Dimer Devil, we need hard-boiled eggs. Number of eggs depends on the quantity you need to make Dimer Devil. Here I'm using 3 eggs. So first thing, we need to cut these eggs in halves. So this way we are going to get 6 devils out of 3 eggs. Once done cutting the eggs, keep aside and we move on to the next step. For the next step we need boiled potatoes. Here I am using 1 large potato. Remove eyes if there are any. Increase the quantity of potatoes if you are making larger number of devils. Now mash the potatoes nicely. Mash until no lumps are found. Dimer Devil is a very popular snack for Bengalis and it becomes even more popular during Durga Puja. So I have been mashing for some time now and it's done. Among other ingredients, we also need minced chicken, about a cup, or chicken keema. You can replace chicken with mutton keema. Now it's time to prepare coating for Dimer Devil. So hop on and heat oil about 3 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, we are going to add chopped onions. Here I have used 2 small onions. Saute on medium to high flame till it turns translucent. Now add ginger garlic paste or grated 2 teaspoons. Now we need to saute this until the raw smell of ginger garlic goes away. Now add green chilies chopped, about 3 green chilies I am using. After this, we are going to add some powdered spices like red chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, and salt to taste. Give it a good mix and saute until nice and brown. Once the onion turns brown, add the minced chicken into it and mix nicely. This recipe is a labor-intensive recipe. That's why we don't want to put our hands into it and rely on paras, chopwala or cabins or cafes. I'm adding a little more salt into it. Please check the seasoning before you add more salt. Now cover and cook for 5 to 7 minutes on medium flame so that the chicken is cooked nicely. After about 7 minutes, remove the cover and add the mashed potatoes and give it a good mix. Kolkata is famous for street food, tele bhaja and cutlets. This egg devil is available in almost every street food stalls, cabins and cafes. Devil along with chai is a perfect setting of a bong adda. Now I'm adding a little bit of freshly ground black pepper, about 1 teaspoon, and some other spices like garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, dry mango powder or amchur powder 1 teaspoon. Cook for another 3-4 minutes and we will be done with the stuffing. The exterior of the devil should be breaded well and not very thick. So when you bite into it, you should have just the right melody of texture, the crisp fried skin, a fair amount of actual meat filling, and the hidden jewel, the boiled egg. Oh, so yum! Stuffing is done and ready, and now we move on to the coating part of it. And here I am adding pinch of salt into eggs. Here I have taken 2 eggs and now I am adding pepper into it. Beat the eggs nicely. We have also got breadcrumbs for the coating, so now I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of corn flour into it. As I said earlier, this recipe is labor intensive, so you can simplify it by not adding meat into it. Just make your mashed potatoes like the way you make chokha or aloo bharta and your devils will be ready in no time. Actually, that's the common process of making devils almost in every Bengali homes. Once everything is ready, take a halved egg and grab some stuffing dough and cover it from all the sides using both of your hands. Give it a shape of an egg and leave no gaps. Make sure the boiled eggs can't be seen. Remember, it's the hidden jewel. Now dip the devil into the beaten egg and then roll it into the breadcrumbs. It's better to use both the hands, one dry, another one wet. Cover with breadcrumbs from all the sides nicely. Repeat the process one more time by dipping into the beaten eggs and rolling over the breadcrumbs. Follow the process and finish off breading all the eggs. Once we are done with the breading, we move on to frying them, and for this we need enough oil to fry since it's a deep fry. Fry on medium to high heat until it's nice and brown. This recipe is a must try during this Durga Puja since we are not hitting any restaurant and street side chopwalas due to COVID. Dimit Devil is a mouthful of flavors and an experience in itself. Try it and you will know. Egg devils have turned nice and brown and it's time to remove from the oil. Serve it hot with kashundi or any sauce of your choice along with some sliced onions. And happy Durga Puja, guys. That's it for today, guys. I'll be back with a new recipe next week. Till then, keep watching Karmakar's Kitchen. Take a good care of yourself and do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.